To fix a rice cooker that won't turn on, start by checking the fuse. Unplug the appliance and remove the fuse from the three-pronged plug. Measure the continuity of the plug, and if the test shows no continuity, indicated by an infinity symbol, replace the fuse. Alternatively, if you don't have a measuring device, try using a functional fuse from a similar appliance, such as a kettle, to test the rice cooker. If it turns on with the other fuse, then the original fuse is likely the problem. Next, check the thermal switch at the bottom of the cooker by unscrewing the bottom cover and locating the switch, which is usually thermally insulated. Test its continuity and replace it if it's faulty. Once the issue is identified and resolved, reassemble the rice cooker. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a non-functional rice cooker.